Am I the only one who didn't know plant-based chicken could be this tasty? You've got to try it. Picture this, all the juicy, crispy goodness of your favorite chicken dish, but totally plant-based. Yep, you heard me right. No clucking involved. So, why is everyone raving about it? First off, it's better for the planet. Less land, less water, and fewer emissions. That's a win for Mother Earth. Plus, it's packed with protein, just like the real deal. You can still hit your protein goals, without hitting any animals. And oh boy, the taste. Companies are nailing the flavor and texture. From nuggets to sandwiches, it's seriously mouth-watering. But wait, there's more. Plant-based chicken is cholesterol-free and lower in saturated fats. Your heart will thank you. So next time you're at the grocery store, give plant-based chicken a try. Your taste buds and the planet will be glad you did. Stay curious, foodies, and keep exploring delicious, sustainable options. Catch you next time.